Today, you will learn how to add YouTube video link in Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your web browser, such as Chrome or any browser you normally use, and go to the YouTube website. In the search bar at the top, type the name of the video you want to insert into your Word document, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the correct video to open it. Once the video is open, go to the address bar at the top of your browser where the video link appears. Click on the link, drag your mouse over it to highlight the entire URL, then right-click and choose Copy. This copies the video link to your clipboard. Now open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to insert the video. Go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, look for the option called Online Video in the Media group and click on it. A small window will appear asking you to enter the video URL or embed code. Simply right-click inside the box and choose Paste, or press Ctrl-V on your keyboard to paste the YouTube video link that you copied earlier. After pasting the link, click the Insert button. You will now see the video appear inside your Word document as a video player box. You can resize it, move it anywhere in the document, and adjust it just like an image. When someone clicks the play button, the video will open in the foreground while the background becomes dim, and all the normal YouTube controls like play, pause, volume, and full screen will be available. This makes your document much more engaging and useful for readers. If for any reason the video does not play, make sure you're connected to the internet because Word streams the video directly from YouTube. Also, remember that this feature works in newer versions of Microsoft Word, such as Word 2016, 2019, Word for Microsoft 365, and Word Online. Older versions may not support this feature. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.